Hey teletizens, back with me again, Anjika Utama Putrada. I am your lecturer for operating systems. This is our 11th meeting about scheduling part 1. In our fourth video, we will discuss about shortest process. Next. So we have discussed first come first serve. We are going to the next algorithm, which is shortest process. Next. And also, just like the name implies, this is not like first come first serve. So the next to be executed is not the first that arrives, but 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 the one that has the smallest process time. Okay. And now we are back to our example. This is just the exact same example as FCFS, but now we are going to use shortest process next, or SPN. And here, this is the same arrival time, and because the first that arrives is A will go first without seeing any other processes for 3 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, and when A ends, there is only B because C and D and E has not arrived yet, so B will go next. B will go for 6 seconds. So from here, from A ends, where A ends, and 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it ends at 9. Because it ends at 9, here we can see that there are already 3 processes waiting, which is C, D, and E. So we need to see from these 3 processes which has the shortest service time. C has 4, D has 5, and E has 2. So E will go next because it has the shortest service time. Shortest process next. So here E goes after B. So it's a different story with FCFS and SPN. It goes until 11. And after E is done, there is C and there is D because C is shorter than D, so C will go after E. C will go for 4 seconds until 15, and then lastly D will go after C for 5 seconds, which means from 15 to 20. So that is the end, and now we can calculate the performance of SPN. So for SPN, the finish time, we will mark one by one. We will mark it one by one. A finish time is at 3, and B is at 9, and C is now at 15, which is longer, and D is at 20, and E is at 11. So the turnaround time is finished subtracted with arrival. So this is 3, and this is 7, and this is 11, and this is 14, and this is also 3. And the NT80 for each of them, A is still the best, which is 1, and B is now 1, 1 per 7. Sorry, 1 1 per 6, which is the same. C is now 11 divided by 4, which is 2 and 3 quarters, and D is now 2 4 over 5, and E is now 1 and a half, which is far more better. and now we can divide the mean of all of them. The turnaround time is 7.6 now, and the NTAT is now 1.84, which is very good, especially compared to the one before. And this is the end of video 4, but not the end of the discussion of SPN. We'll discuss the advantages and disadvantages of SPN in the next video. Thank you for your attention. I'll meet you in the next video. Don't go anywhere.